1998. This is a Ford Econoline E250. This is a van right there, as you can see, with a 4.2 liter. And this is going to be front brakes pads replacement. I already jacked up the car right there with a jack right there and a jack stand there. My impact gun over here, and this Milwaukee 22mm socket right there. Long nut over here, as you can see. I lift it up because I have an impact gun, as you can see. But if you gonna do this with a breakable, you don't have an impact gun, then you should do this on the floor, loosen on the floor when the car is on the floor. Okay, next, this is the caliper here, right there, and I'm gonna be removing this 14mm bolt here. I already loosened them with a short 14mm socket, half drive, but you can do it with 3/8 14mm half drive short socket, and one here at the bottom. I'm not sure. This one I already loosened. It was not bad at all. They just pull this. No, I don't know if I can do it with my hand, but what you can do is use a screwdriver. Just don't let this hang on the air right there. You should be ready with a bungee. This one, the old one. Use this one to retract it. I use the same one. The clamp is gonna go here. Install a new one. Just clean here very well with some kind of spray, and use the grease that is provided with the new pads to put them here. This is very easy cleaning it. I'm not gonna provide instructions. Just clean it with like a some spray that cleans very good, like a starter fluid first. Once you have clean everything here and here, and on this side, on each side, then you can use some grease. Most of the time is provided with brakes. The new one has to be retracted. I'm gonna use the old pad to retract it here. The clamp is gonna be on the piston on this side and here, or on here, because this one does the clamp I have is regular. It doesn't have two. Some have two to push over here. Those are better in this case. I'm installing it right there, and that's it. This let's see if I can do this one first, the one on top. That's it. I'm gonna be retracting this right now. Okay, that's the clamp right there. That's the setup. I have not tied it just a little bit to stay on, but to stay on it here so it wouldn't come off. But as I said, this is right there, as you can see. That's the piston right there. So now I'm gonna be compressing these. So that's all. Also forgot to mention, after this, take a look at the reservoir for the brake fluid. Sometimes it overflows when you're pushing these pistons here. So always make sure you leave the brake fluid up to the level. Okay, and just before installing these screws on the caliper right there, I always put apply NS's grease And just before it goes, oops. Okay, and thread it up to whatever you can with your hand to make sure that it's not going cross threaded. Okay, just really quick, once you're done with this, just make sure just before getting this done completely and before putting the tire, installing the tire back, do not touch this with dirty gloves or your fingers oily. And if you do, just clean it with like any spray, starter fluid, anything like that, but do not let it like that, because that's bad for the brakes. You're gonna shorten the life of the pets. Please, if you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.